it is time for another punk rave haul. Super excited. I'm very, very warm, so I just like kind of stuck my hair up vaguely and now I have a strange nest on top of my head, but that's okay. So this is another wonderful punk rave haul. I am very excited. You guys know I love my punk rave, obviously, from how many videos I've done on it in this channel. And there's another one and I'm happy about it and I hope you are too. So the first thing is something that I was super excited about. It's something that I never noticed on my own on the website. I never in a million years would have spotted it and thought anything of it. But then I saw my friend Ree with it. She is Riri Phillips here on YouTube. And I was like, where did you get that coat? And she was like, Punk Rave. And I was like, where? I've never once seen it. And it's because it's actually in the men's section. And it is this. And I just love it. It has this gold detail on the sleeves and then gold all the way down the front. I'm quite jealous of Ree in the fact that on her this comes down to like almost her feet, I think, because she's like very, very, very little. And I really wish it was that long on me. Unfortunately, I'm a giant, so it kind of comes down like not nearly as long, but it's still beautiful. I don't know what it is about this, but I just love it. It really reminds me of kind of Only Lovers Left Alive. It's like a direct mixture. It's like the kind of thing that Eve I could see wearing, but in like Adam's colors, if you get what I mean. So the fact that it reminded me even vaguely of Only Lovers Left Alive was like, need it. But that is why I got this, and it's gorgeous. I was actually meant to be doing a haul with another website. It wasn't like Punk Rave themselves, it was like just a website that sells different brands and stuff. And I think it fell through just because like they weren't really responding, or I don't know, it was a disaster. But one of the things I asked for was this, and they're like, oh no, you can't have that, that's a men's coat. And I was like, so like, does it matter? Like, it's unisex, like anyone can wear whatever, like so that was bizarre, but no, I have it because Punk Rave are much more accommodating to my needs, and I am delighted by it. It's so nice. What is my hair doing? I don't even know. But it is beautiful, it is velvet, it has the lovely like gold embroidery down the front and the gold like whatever this is on the sleeves, and I am a happy bean.
So this is the coat on. I'm definitely really happy with it. It's really comfy. It looks fine on camera, but actually in real life I feel like it makes my shoulders look a wee bit boxy, so I am considering removing the shoulder pads, but I don't know, it kind of looks okay here, so I'm conflicted. But yeah, it's not as long as I would like on me because I am a tree, but overall I think it's really pretty, and it definitely just reminds me of Only Lovers Left Alive for some reason, so I'm digging it.
Next up is this. I believe this is a dress. Okay, here we go. This is the dress. So one strap is like just a plain strap, and then the other side has this, like, I think it's four? Yes, 4 straps, which I don't think I've actually figured out how you're supposed to attach, mind you. There's like loops, but I don't see how you then secure these so that they don't fly away. So I'll have to see if I'm just missing something. But yes, so these come over your shoulder, go through the little loops here, and then I'm not sure what happens after that, but I'm sure I'll figure it out. This dress actually has some padding in the bust, which usually I'm not a fan of because I find it's like a lot of the time it just makes things awkward, but this is actually quite comfortable and definitely like takes away the need for a bra with this dress, which is great. And yeah, it is super long and like lots of different textures, lots of different fabrics down here on the bottom. Like we've got some lace, got some satin, you know, got this material going. And yeah, I really like this. It has like some buttons here on the back of this. It's just good all around. Definitely excited to wear this. It's dresses like this that I like to wear on days where I want to look fancy, but I don't want to put in effort because it's just one very long piece that you can just put on and you're done. So things like this are great, I think.
So I did end up figuring out the straps in the end. I looked at the back and they seemed to just be kind of tied on, which is a little bit awkward, but it works okay, I guess. And overall, I really like this dress. I do wish the waist sat a little bit higher. I feel like the placement is maybe a tiny bit awkward, but overall it's really pretty, really flowy, and yeah, it just gives like a nice sort of witchy feel with all the different textures and layers.
Possibly the most like, not plain, but you know, sort of just, I don't know, something in that realm dress that I've ever had from Punk Rave, but it's just this little, confusing straps. I'm not sure how the straps go, but it's just like a little black dress. It's like very flowy and sheer down the bottom. Has a very asymmetric bottom, so it's like all different lengths and cuts and stuff. But it is just a little short dress, and then it comes with like a little capelet that you put on over the top, if you wish. So you can wear it with or without, and it just sort of goes on like this. So I think that's really nice because it gives you different options. And whenever it comes to more sort of like plain dresses like this, it means you can sort of like accessorize them a lot, so that is always good.
So this is the dress, obviously, without the little top cape. The sleeves are just something separate, they're not part of this dress. Talk about blacks not matching, huh? But yeah, so this is it. It's just really simple. It has sort of like the under layer that's quite short, but then it has this lower meshy floaty layer with a lot of slits and stuff in it. And it's just a really cute, interesting piece while still remaining really, really simple, which I like. And then here it is with the top little cape. Again, obviously I'm wearing sleeves. It doesn't come with it, but it just gives you an idea of another way to style this, I guess. But yeah, overall this is just a really comfy piece. I did not realize that was tucked up at the back and no one thought to tell me. But yes, very pretty dress.
Next is one of these. I very much enjoy like pouchy pocket things like this. So what way does this go? I'm not sure what way this goes, but we'll find out whenever I try this on. But it is this, and it's one of those like, little bags that sits on your hip, which I love. I don't know why. I assume this goes around your thigh then to hold it in place. And let's have a little look. So it has quite wonderful detailing on it. And there's a decent amount of room. If I had my phone near me, I would double check to see if my phone fits in here. But I'm not sure what I've done with it. What is this? This is a box of tarot cards, and that fits in there nicely. So you can definitely fit a box of tarot cards in there if you so please. Basically, it's a decent size pouch. You could definitely get a good few things in there, and that makes me very happy. I also like that the hardware on this is silver, because I have something in the same sort of realm as this from PunkRave. It's like a double sort of one. It doesn't have the, because I think this goes like up over here. The other one's just a belt with two on it, but its hardware is all brass. So now if I want to wear a more silver based outfit, I have this one, which is very much appreciated. I just need to figure out which strap goes where, and then we'll be good to go.
Okay, so I love this thing, but there were definitely some issues with it. I had to really rearrange the straps to make it work. The way the straps were originally, just there is no possible way I could have worn it unless I was like really, really, really short and probably a fair bit skinnier. You would have to be a very petite person overall, but I kind of mixed and matched the straps around a bit and made it work like this, so I am happy with it anyway. It's good.
I took a risk and got some like trousers. So these are actually like crushed velvet bell bottoms. I decided that I wanted to give it a go. I never ever buy trousers from PunkRave because I don't buy trousers from anywhere because they never fit me, ever. They're always like the crotch is too low down or just the proportions are off. It's always a bad time. That was even when I was skinny, by the way. I'm not just talking about like now. These do seem like they might be too small though. I'll have to give it a go, but I'm not sure. It depends how stretchy these are. So if you don't see me wearing them, then they were probably a little bit too snug, but we will see. And if they don't fit now, then it'll fit as I continue to lose more weight.
So the trousers did end up fitting, but I think they are a bit too short. I really wish they were a couple of inches longer. I don't know how much I'll be wearing these. I don't know. I just feel like trousers look bad on me. I feel like my legs look like really short and stumpy, and it makes me unhappy. They are such cute, pretty trousers. I think it's just on me. I am not a fan, and as I say, they're a bit too short.
And then the last thing is, oh, a skirt. Ah, yes. So this lovely high to low skirt, it has like pretty buckles here on the front and this sort of like, I don't know, damask, filigree, I don't know what you call that. But yeah, so this is what it looks like. And it's very, very nice. I like that the hardware on this is black. I can't tell, is this metal? I think it's metal. But I love that it's black, so it's like just completely black right down to the bottom, and it has all the different textures of fabrics and stuff on it, which is very nice. I feel like that's a great way with all black outfits to just give them more interest, is when they have like a lot of different textures to them. And this does, so that is great.
So I don't have a lot to say on this skirt, just it kind of is what you see. It's really, really nice. I love how sort of floaty and heavy the layers are. and whenever you sort of move around you can really see all the different textures, which is lovely. And as far as these skirts go, it's quite comfortable as well. It doesn't feel too restricting, so overall I am really, really happy with it. I think it's super cute.
Okay, I believe that is everything. So I hope you enjoyed this haul. I obviously, as always, enjoyed doing it. Everything was great. Very, very happy with it. I still need to try everything from this on, so I'm not sure about the fit of some things, but we will see. You'll find out if they don't fit or something. Then I'll insert like a little voiceover. But yeah, so everything was good. I very much enjoyed this. It was great. As always, PunkRave have been a delight to deal with. Definitely check them out, link is in the description. So remember to like, comment and subscribe, because that is great. If you do subscribe, turn on little notifications, or if you're already subscribed and you haven't done that yet, just click that little bell next to subscribe, and then whenever I put videos out, you should, in theory, get a notification. You don't always, because YouTube isn't great. Speaking of YouTube not being great, check out my Patreon. It's a super helpful way to support this channel because YouTube won't do it themselves. So yeah, check that out. It's super important and I appreciate everyone who does it oh so very much. And I will see you in the next video. Bye, love.